Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So today's video we are going to be doing a fall grocery shopping. I'm thinking that maybe we'll make a fall dinner idea. So I am gonna get myself ready and the kids ready, and we're gonna head on out. Hi guys, and welcome back. Today's video we are going to be heading to Aldi's for a little grocery haul, and then we're going to be making some chicken pot pie. And if you are new here, my name is Lacey and I am a mother of 3, and I make cleaning videos, cook with me videos, and anything in between mommy lifestyle videos, and I hope that you enjoy and stay tuned.
Away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. 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 One thing I love about you is your dedication.
Okay, so we are back from the store now, and I'm just gonna kind of show you what we bought, and then we're gonna start. So here is my grocery haul, and I don't really have it laid out in any particular order. I kind of tried to do like dry goods and then produce, but we'll see. So I have some brown sugar and regular sugar here because we do a lot of baking. The boys really like these chocolate chips, and if you've ever had the Aldi chocolate chips, they're super good. Some maple leaf cookies because it's fall. We got some whipped cream that will be for the dessert that we're gonna make today. I got some almond milk pumpkin spice creamer, some more coffee because we're running out. I wanted to get a cold brew coffee because I actually like my coffee cold. I'm thinking that today we're gonna make a chicken pot pie recipe, and so I bought some biscuits for that. And then later on this week we are going to have birrias, and what that is basically it's like a Spanish pot roast, and then you just make them into tacos with cheese and then just kind of fry them up. Really good. You dip them in the pot roast juice, like the au jus. Super good. Try it or look up a recipe if you're interested. Then we got some large burritos here. I wanted to see, I saw these in the bread aisle and I thought those would be really good. They're garlic knots, so I wanted to try those. The boys really love this San Pellegrino sparkling orange. Really good. All 3 boys love that. Got a bunch of bread here, and then I got these coffee cakes. I use these to make my French toast casserole. And then I picked up some pumpkin bread. If you haven't tried these sweet chili limes, they are delicious. Some mini sweet peppers here, some extra virgin olive oil, some brown gravy in case I want to make just a regular pot roast. I got some Jello snacks for the boys, some butter spray. This is going to be for the dessert today, and also the boys love oatmeal in the morning. We have ginger paste, 3 things of heavy cream, tomato sauce. We have some leftover rice in the fridge, so I think I'm going to make some rice pudding. So I have sweetened condensed milk here, and then evaporated milk down here. Some cream cheese. We got pinto beans, black beans. We're a Hispanic household, so we eat a lot of rice and beans, so we gotta keep that stocked. We got onions and some lemons, some cucumbers, and then under the cucumbers is a variety pack of hummus. Then we got And some frozen mixed veggies. This will be for the pot pie as well. And then we got some tri-colored peppers, asparagus, raspberries, and some grape tomatoes, Honeycrisp apples, and then we got a bunch of cilantro. I got 3 packages, some baking potatoes, and then these little mini potatoes, I like to put those in our pot roast. And then anytime I see a Asian sesame or a ginger sauce, I always pick it up so I can try it. Then I got some Brussels sprouts and some strawberries, blueberries. The boys like to make little personal pizzas using naan bread, so I got some pepperoni. And this is for the birria, which is the fried tacos I was talking about. And then we got some salmon, 2 of them, because I love salmon. So this is the haul. So let's get started making the chicken pot pie. We're just gonna add about 2 tablespoons of oil, about a half an onion chopped, and then we're just gonna let it brown up a little bit. Once the onions start sauteing, we're gonna add the chicken, let the chicken saute. Once the chicken starts browning, we're going to add some oregano. And this is just ground oregano, but if you don't have that, then you can also add in crushed oregano as well.
And holding you till we forget it all.
We're going to add a little bit of sage.
Like dominoes.
And then some salt.
Couldn't keep the door shut, and now the frostbite's creeping in. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear?
Then we're gonna grind some black pepper in, and then add in a bag of mixed vegetables. If you like veggies, you could always add more, or you could add less. It depends on how you like your pot pie. Once you give it a nice stir, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Let that melt, and then you're going to add about 3 tablespoons of flour. And that is going to create a roux to thicken up the pot pie.
You got me stone cold. Got me stone cold. No Wizard of Oz can undo what I've done.
So once you give that a good stir, you're going to add about a cup of milk, and make sure to give that a really good stir to start thickening.
Take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know there wasn't?
Now we're adding in a splash of heavy whipping cream. This is going to give it a nice creamy texture and taste.
You'll find your way back to me. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come on.
Once that starts simmering, I add in about a cup and a half of water, and then 3 chicken bouillon cubes.
I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold.
While the pot pie is simmering, just make sure to periodically stir it so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. And then I tasted it, and I thought it needed a little bit more salt and pepper.
It got me stone cold. You got me stone cold.
So this mixture should have been cooking for at least 15 minutes or so. And if you were like me and cooked it in a shallower pot, you can now transfer into something a little deeper so that there is no spillage in the oven. And here are those jumbo biscuits from the haul earlier, and you could either cut them up or keep them whole like I did and spread them throughout the pot pie, and then we're gonna put them in the oven for about 16 to 18 minutes or until golden brown. So with this meal, I decided to make a salad, and it's just a pretty basic salad with spinach, romaine, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, a little bit of olive oil and vinegar, and then some salt and pepper. And then just give it a little bit of toss so that everything is incorporated. And then the timer went off on the oven, so now we are pulling out the pot pie. And now it is time to serve, and we were so excited to have dinner finally done, and it's a nice, perfect fall meal, nice and hearty, but light at the same time and so flavorful, and we definitely enjoyed this. Pieces of love, it's all right. And this is a great family meal, especially on those fall nights. And that is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this fall grocery haul and fall meal idea. And don't forget to stop by again for the next video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @homewithlace. And like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.
It's alright.